does getting a home loan actually look like? There are 6 different phases of the home loan process. And they're really simple and they really make sense and they flow naturally if you think about it. We start with the first phase, which is the application phase. In the application phase, you're really going to give us all the information about your personal situation. We're going to learn how to legally spell your name, your address, your phone number, as well as information that's sensitive to you like your social security number and your birthday. We're going to use all that information to put together a full application to apply for the mortgage. Phase 2 is the pre-approval phase. In the pre-approval phase, we take the information that you provided to us and we put all of that into calculating 3 different things. Number 1, your credit score. We're going to do a credit inquiry and look at your credit report in order to identify how good you are at making your payments on time. That credit score typically ranges anywhere from 350 up to 850. The higher you are, the better. We're also going to look at your debt to income ratio. It's a simple equation that looks at how much money you make on a monthly basis and how much your monthly bills are. We're going to compare those two to find that debt to income ratio, which we typically want to be at 50% or less of your income. And then third, we're going to look at your down payment. Do you have money set aside already to purchase a home? Or are you getting a gift from family? That wraps up the pre-approval phase because if you have all that information, we can give you the pre-approval and you can now go look for a home with your real estate agent. The third phase is the loan submission phase. In this phase, we take all the information we've gathered through your application, plus the documentation that you sent us, and we send all of this to our underwriter. They review it to make sure it meets the investor's guidelines. Once they look at it and they determine all of this works in our favor, we're going to get a conditional loan approval. That's phase number 4. Our loan is now approved, but it's approved with some outstanding conditions. In this phase, we might have to ask you for a few more documents that clarify something that showed up in your original documentation. We might ask you for something that explains a new development that's happened while you've been in the loan process. Then we take that information, we send it back to underwriting, and they take us to step 5, which is our final loan approval. Now our loan is approved and we are good to go. We're ready to close on your mortgage when your contract says it's time to close on your house. That takes us to the 6th and final stage, which is closing. Closing is when we all celebrate because things have been awesome. It's been a smooth process. You'll sign some documents and then you'll take ownership of your new home. So really, the home loan process can be summed down into those 6 easy stages. And if you're working with a good professional loan originator and mortgage company, it's going to be a smooth ride. If you want a smooth ride, give us a call.